Hi, in this tutorial I will walk you through how a business admin can view survey responses and analyze aggregated data. In the business portal, click on the survey module in the sidebar to open a survey screen. Click on the report icon next to any survey to view all the responses submitted for that survey. The survey report screen displays a table of all responses. For each submission, you can see the user information of the respondent, the answer provided for each question. Click on the setting icon to customize the table view. Here, select specific question to display or choose to show all questions in the table for a complete view. Then to see the detail of particular submission, click on any row in the response table. The detail screen open showing the complete information submitted by the user for survey. To analyze survey result, click on the stats tab in this report screen. Here you can view aggregated statistic for all questions such as distribution of answers, rating or choice selections, trend across multiple responses. This is how a business admin can effectively view, analyze and understand survey responses submitted by user instantly. Thank you very much.